Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to change data sources in Apple Health. So first head over and launch the Health app on your iPhone. Then from here at the bottom right corner of your screen, click on the browse icon. Here choose the data category you want to manage. So it could be activity, body measurement, cycle tracking. Just choose whatever category. Click on it and next is click on the specific activity with the data source you would like to change. Now from here, scroll down until you see data sources and access. Click on it and click on the edit button found at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and here all you have to do is reorder sources by dragging this three-line icon next to each one. The topmost source has the highest priority when merging data. Lastly, tap on the Done button to finalize the changes. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!